Today, on our canyoning trip, we would like to be blessed with no rain.
I look guapo o no?
Ah, muy guapo.
Gracias. Just because I know you're letting grow this mustache, you know. Yes, the temperature is gonna get a little bit crazy and also more humid. So when it's gonna start to rain here, it's gonna be like somebody's like putting like a bucket over you of water, you know. First we're gonna change. You have your suit, first the pants and then your jacket. You're gonna check that your suits are inside out. You need to check that. And then put on the helmet, shoes, and we're gonna give you the rest of the equipment. Basically it's gonna be the harness. My girlfriend's gonna kill me. Don't feel that.
That's for us, that's for ours.
This is the harness. The harness have a diaper or nappy. We use this for protect the suit and the harness too. So how we gonna wear this? For sure, not like this. Yes. It's gonna be your legs, one, and the other one.
So I really like how it accentuates my thighs. Usually I can't fit in the pants,
You should
but
shake
now,
it like that.
but I'm against the helmet though.
For sure.
My hair's too beautiful.
Just so you know, you should put your nuts in one side, no? Otherwise it's gonna hair a little bit. Doesn't gonna feel too comfortable, no?
It's too late for that.
Which side are your nuts supposed to go on?
I'm lefty, so it should be on my left side, you know?
See, I'm righty, but I hang left. You gotta ask. I love being pampered.
Now, does it help if you have a micro penis? Because I may be in luck.
We're just finishing the final touches on getting strapped on and strapped up. I got a pocket, so I'll
You
never
have
lose
a
anything.
pocket, an extra pocket for the camera and the glasses, no?
Let's fly.
Ready? We are cooking, the guys in the kitchen. Ready? Until you're gonna say, yeah, whatever. 1, 2, 3, yeah!
Just finished up with a few of the tutorials and the instruction guides. We're heading up for the first jump. These guys are hilarious. It's only gonna make for a better day.
Next to the waterfall. Right there. Yes?
Just left of it.
Yes. There of the waterfall.
Finally, something that makes me feel alive. here at the intermission of canyoning. The first thing we did was jump through some waterfalls like you saw. Just did some zip lining. I don't know what's in store for us next, but it's been a hell of an adventure so far. These are interdimensional calcium deposits. This is calcium with emeralds in it. But these are special emeralds.
These are the things right here that women need to eat more of because they get osteoporosis and their bones break. So they need to be sucking more of the bottom of rocks. That's real, right?
That's a freak show. He's the real winner today.
Had a top 3 gay moment. Stay tuned to find out what it was. Welcome to Off the Bus Adventures.
Where's my glasses? So now guys, thank you for surviving. It was really fun doing this adventure with you guys.
What did you think when I fell off?
Hope I wasn't scared. Yes. I was really worried about you because he don't listen what the people say.
But he forgot my nickname was the best, so
Yes.
you can't kill the best.
And he was like a salmon. So it was fun.
Pure look of fear in his face.
Yes.
What do you mean? I had to make confirm to everybody.
So what we learn about that?
The rocks are really slippery.
Give me your hands. Thank you for a good day. I really enjoyed it. No? 1, 2, 3, let's rock!
Those waterfalls, 3,300 years old.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see how we made it this far on our journey, check out one of the other playlists on the sidebar or click the subscribe button below to keep watching our journey. Now come get on the bus with us.